What's up, y'all? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the live stream. Come back to the channel. Said, bro, what's up, Zeph? Shout out to you, man. What's up? Appreciate you joining. Got a lot of blood in the streets, you know what I'm saying? It's October, Red October, it's Halloween, you know what I'm saying? So a lot of liquidations going on in the market. Billions and billions wiped out in the last 24 hours. What's up, Gabriel? What's up, Excalibur? Yeah, what's up, Excalibur? Yes, man. Yes. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. I'm sure they're going to flag me for this, but whatever. But it is what it is. Yes. It's October. There's blood in the streets. Yes, shout out to you, Lenny. It's a full moon. It's almost Halloween. They bring in Halloween in real early, real soon. You know what I'm saying? A lot of victims this week. A whole lot of victims this week. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna let a few more people come in. We're gonna get into the markets. A lot of liquidations. In the last 24 hours, BTC, $2.5 billion out of BTC liquidated. There's a lot of people taking trades. A lot of people's trading the markets. So a lot of liquidations. ETH, 2.25 billion. XRP, 500 million in the last 24 hours. So there's been a lot of liquidations out of the market. In total, I believe there's been about, in the last 24 hours. Now we talking about in the day's time period. Within the last day, at least 8.7 billion liquidated out the market. Zeph, first time I would have to say this shit is random. No, it's not, Zeph. Zeph, I'm gonna show you how it's not random. We're gonna get into the charts. I already predicted this. I don't know if y'all remember. You have to go back and watch my live stream. The market makers leave behind footprints in the market. And we're gonna look back and we're gonna look at their trail that they left behind. Boomer, you said when moon? Right now, because it's a full moon. That's when moon. All right, it's a full moon, so that's when we will moon. All right. Lenny, I wonder how leverage long XRP positions are doing. They're not doing too good, Lenny. Not doing too good. Make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. All right. Got that out the way. How's everybody doing on this Friday, October the 10th, 2025? Appreciate y'all joining. Man, there's a lot going on. A lot of manipulation in the markets, man. A lot of manipulations. Of course, institutions, they're going to offer themselves a discount. So that's pretty much what's going on. Now, were you able to buy the dip? I want to know y'all if y'all in the chat, was y'all able to purchase discounts? So let me know in the chat. Was y'all able to get in? Was y'all able to get in? I'm buffering over here and shit. Hopefully my internet hold up. How's my connection, y'all? How's my connection? God damn it. Come on with this shit, man. Y'all let me know in the chat. How's my connection? How's my connection? Shit is coming in slow over here. Y'all in the chat. Can y'all hear head holding? Can y'all hear me in the chat? God damn it. I think my connection is slowing down. It was just working. Let me see. Can y'all hear me in the chat? Can y'all hear me in the chat? Damn, nobody can hear me in the chat. Y'all press 1 in the chat if y'all can hear me, man. Press 1 in the chat. Can y'all hear me? If not, I'm gonna have to end this. All right, y'all let me know. Am I buffering? Am I buffering? Y'all let me know. What's the, man, this shit is crazy. I can't really see. Am I buffering? I might have to just roll. My comments are coming in real slow, so I can't tell. I can't tell if I'm buffering or not. Yeah, I'm lagging. Yep, I'm lagging. I think I'm lagging real bad. My fucking internet been slow, so is it bad? Is it something I can push through, or is it like, nah, I don't want the stream to be messed up, man. It says glitching a little. I think it's glitching a lot on my end. Is it a little or is it a lot? Y'all let me know in the chat. Is my glitching, is my lagging a little bit, or is it a lot? I started off good, but now, you know, I got to get this internet swapped out over here. The market crash made the whole internet crash. Man, that's bad. That's bad. Damn, I want to get into this. What the fuck? Crypto crashed the internet? God damn it. All right, I'm back, man. I'm back. The fuck? Can y'all see me? Y'all press 1 in the chat if y'all can see me. Am I lagging? I can't do the show if I'm going to be lagging. I can't do it. What's up, Ryan? Shout out to you, man, if you can hear me. They don't want me to cook tonight. Clearly, they don't want me to cook. Trash ass internet. I gotta get this shit swapped out this week. Nah, I can't, TZ. I can't just do the voice. I can do voice, but you know, I gotta pull the charts up. I gotta let y'all know about the markets in the charts. I gotta be able to do the charts. It looks like it's kind of clearing up a little bit. Is it clearing up? All right, we might be good for a second. I don't know. We might be good for a second. But anyway, I'm gonna press 1 if we good. If we good, I'm gonna continue. Press 1. Let me know in the chat if the feedback, if I'm lagging. Now press 1 if I can roll. Shit, turn your camera off and share the screen. I think I cleared up a little bit. All right, I think I cleared up a little bit, maybe. Y'all let me know in the chat if it keeps messing up. But anyway, yeah, man, it's been a crazy week. I'm going to just roll with it. I'm not going to be too long. It's been a crazy week. If you've been in my Discord and my Patreon, y'all realize the markets have been very manipulated as of lately. There's a lot going on. You got Trump new. It's all kind of shit going on in the world. You don't know if a politician is going to get assassinated. You don't know if war is going to break out. You don't know if it's going to be another pandemic. People believe in the full moons. You know what I'm saying? Is it the full moon that's doing it? What is going on? Y'all let me know in the chat. What is going on? Based from my perspective, though, it's just market maker manipulation. Institutions are wanting y'all to get out of this market. There's a lot of people that are leverage trading these markets and they are getting liquidated. All right. They're getting liquidated. So whatever you subscribe to, just know there's more than what it seems. I'm gonna say that. Whatever you subscribe to, there's always gonna be more than what it seems. But how I view it, I see them offering themselves a discount. There's for months for XRP and a lot of these cryptos, they've been leaving behind inefficiencies in the market that they was gonna later refer to down the line. And I'm gonna get into it when I get to XRP in a minute. We got XRP currently trading at 233. We got XLM trading at 31 cents. Y'all let me know in the chat. Have y'all been buying the dip? Have y'all been purchasing any cryptos since it sold off? It's clear as day. Y'all don't have to ask me, is this a good time? It's clear as day what you should have done. It's clear as day. So how many of y'all in the chat was able to take advantage of the opportunity? How many of y'all in the chat was able to take advantage of the opportunity? Did y'all purchase XRP today? Did y'all purchase Bitcoin? I'm gonna tell you one thing that's performing. Silver. Silver broke all-time high. Silver is trading above $50 right now. How many of y'all own silver? Silver right there at 50.28 right now currently. All-time high was $51. It did it this week. So commodities are doing well. Gold is doing well. Gold at $4,000 right now. So while they manipulate everything else, the two precious metals that are really considered money and hold value, they continue to rally while they continue to manipulate the NASDAQ, the S&P, the futures markets, the crypto market, Bitcoin, XRP. They continue to manipulate all these other markets because that's where nobody is investing in gold. The masses aren't investing in gold. They're not investing in silver. And to be honest, they are doing some great returns. I'm not even gonna lie. Ryan, you buying? You say you're buying? What did y'all buy? I want to know what all y'all bought. Excalibur, seems like the market is going risk off. Well, right now, if you look at the dollars, come over and look at the dollar right quick. Well, before I do that, let me tell y'all the prices. XLM currently trading at 31 cents. We got XDC trading at 6 pennies. H-bar sold off all the way down to 8 pennies, man. God damn. H-bar went to 8 pennies. It's currently trading at 16 cents. XDC went all the way down to 5 pennies. XLM went all the way down to 17 cents. XRP went all the way down to $1.37. Bitcoin, I mean, nobody's buying Bitcoin at these prices, but Bitcoin went down to 103,000. It's currently at 112. Ethereum went down to 3,400. It's currently up at 3,800. Quants, QNT, currently trading at 85 cents. But when it dropped down to $65, okay? A $65 quant. DAG, I've been watching DAG. DAG didn't really do much. It's still at 2 pennies, all right? Trading at 2 pennies. What else we got? We got IOTA trading at 13 cents. It didn't really sell off too much. So a lot of these assets didn't really do much. It was the main ones that everybody has pulled their capital in. IOTA trading at 13 cents. We got Algorand trading at 16 cents. ICP, 286 currently. ICP dropped down to $1.77. Sologenic currently trading at 18 cents. Solana, 188. Solana went down to 170. Flare went down to 1 penny. Currently trading at 2 pennies. Cardano currently trading at 61 cents. It went down to 28 cents. Chainlink currently trading at $16. So there's a lot of opportunities right now in the market. I mean, nobody could predict this. I'm not even gonna lie. Nobody could see this coming. This was just manual intervention. They come in, they flip the switch down, not up. A lot of y'all want the switch to go up. They flip the switch down and they dropped it down to discount levels for them, for institutions, not for you. That's why a lot of y'all, I'm sure y'all was locked out of the exchanges. Y'all couldn't purchase nothing. But they dropped it down to discount for themselves. And they took advantage of the discount. Ryan, you said you bought in at H-bar at 9 cents. Shout out to you, Ryan. Shout out to you. Let me see right quick. I'm still lagging a little bit. It ain't too bad. It ain't as bad as it was, but I'm still lagging. But anyway. What else we got? We got ZBEC 0.004. I mean, under $1. Nobody is ZBEC still a thing? Y'all let me know. ZBEC, is that still buzzing out here in the streets? Ondo, 66 cents. We got Stronghold SHX back down to 1 penny. Y'all thought it was out of here, huh? Nope. Institution Smart Money said otherwise. All of these markets are, something is coming. I'm gonna tell y'all that now. I feel like something is coming. Something is going on with the dollar. Something is coming, and I pretty much watch the markets, and it's pretty much a telltale sign of something coming. Hopefully, it's nothing too severe. All right. Hopefully, it's something that's quick and transitional, and we still have some capital at the end of the day. SUI 253. VChain currently trading at 1 penny. Axelar trading at 18 cents. Aave trading at 22 cents. And Velo, $1. Let's go look at the stock market right quick. Let's go look at some stocks. What's going on in the stock market? The S&P and the NASDAQ tanked. Coinbase currently trading at $357. We got Netflix trading at $1,200. Oracle $292. Berkshire Hathaway coming down. I don't even want to name Berkshire Hathaway. Broadcom $324. We got Circle at a discount. Circle $132. What else I got for y'all? What else I got? Let me see. Stock market matrix. Stock matrix. Everything is down though, man. Everything is down. Let's go look at the stocks. This is not it, but whatever. Okay, here we go. All right, we got Apple. Apple currently trading at 245. Nvidia 183. Let me go take a closer look at Nvidia. Let's go down to the weekly. Internet is acting slow. B-Rush, you ain't missed. Shout out to you, B-Rush. You didn't miss much. We just getting started. I ain't gonna be long, but we just getting started. What else we got? Nvidia is currently trading at 183. Nvidia didn't take much of a hit. Stocks are pretty much holding strong overall. You know what I'm saying? Stocks are still strong. Microsoft currently trading at 510. Amazon trading at 216. Meta trading at 705. Tesla 413. Alphabet or Google trading at 236. And Palantir $175 a share. All right, let me see. Now let's come over here. Let's pull up XRP, man. Let's come to XRP. Pull that up and give y'all that macro perspective. Make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, all right? Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me see. I'm a little laggy, so y'all bear with me, man. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Anyway. All right, I just pulled up XRP. So, who remembers back? Let me see. When was that? Let's go down to the monthly. Who remembers back in, let's say, January when y'all was watching me? Who remembers me covering XRP and I was highlighting several key levels in the market, several key levels. But if you look back last year on the 6-month time frame, so this is a long-term time frame, long-term chart. I highlighted a key level for y'all. Y'all might have not been watching me at that time, but if you were, who remembers that? Who remembers me highlighting a key level in price? And I was telling you, and it's all documented on my channel. I was saying, hey, there's a possibility that they come back down to this level. And they did. That's amazing, bro. Just today alone, y'all peep game. Just today alone, this current candle, which is a 6-month candle, it takes 6 months to complete this candle. This candle right here was black. Just a few hours ago. This candle right here was a down close candle. It was looking like this candle right here. It dropped significantly. And when it dropped, where the hell did it go? Why did it drop down to a certain level in price? What is this, y'all in the chat? What do we highlight? What do we call this in the what do we call this right here? This area in price. And I've been having this in my charts for months. All right, for months. I never removed it out of my charts because I already knew there was a possibility that, hey, they could come back to this level in price. What's up, DeAndre? The 6-month gap was the effort. Yep. Arthur, you said you remember? Come on, man. So just to verify, I come over here to my object tree over here on the right side of my chart. And right here, I'm about to highlight it for you. It says 6-month fair value gap. This little folder right here. It's always been in my charts. A lot of shit is hidden on my charts. You see this folder over here on the right? All of these are folders these are annotations that's on my chart that I just hide. I only use them when I need them. So I'm going to pull up the 6-month fair value gap. Boom, right there. Now let's look at this 6-month fair value gap, okay? And it's all calibrated already. It's already precise. I don't need to do any switching anything up. It's been in my charts for months. I never removed it. So earlier today, we sold off down into this 6-month fair value gap. In one day, y'all, one day, we sold off into this gap, okay? And where do we go to this gap? You see the upper quadrant, the 0.75 level? Is that not precision? Now, I didn't take advantage of this, but I'm just showing you that these levels in price are precise, precision. Look at that. Is that random? Is that random to y'all? Make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe. Price dropped all the way down to this level, the 0.75 level of this fair value gap. So what I'm doing is I'm just measuring the gap. So you see this large candle for y'all that are brand new? This is a large candle. There's a void in price. It's an inefficiency. So whenever price last year shot up and broke out, they didn't offer any selling inside of this area in price. There was no selling. So that made this run inefficient. So of course, they're leaving their footprints behind to go back and make this efficient at a later date. We're talking months later. So what did they do? They dropped it down. Top of the fair value gap, upper quadrant, to offer themselves a discount months later, right? Months later. Yes, Gabrielle, precision. You can't make that up, man. You cannot make this up. If I did not highlight it, and remember, I had these in my charts for a month. You can just go back to my channel. I haven't been live streaming, I haven't been live streaming as much lately because there has not been no action. But now we got some action, whether it's bearish or bullish, it gives me something to talk about. It got to be entertaining. I got to keep y'all updated. These markets it has people tied up and emotional, all right? People are tied up in them. Listen, some people put they all into this, all right? Some people put every last drop and every last dime into XRP. And there's a lot of emotions and a lot tied into this. So yes, that drop off right there was, very emotional. So that's why y'all are watching now. But we dropped off into that level right there. Boom, tagged the fair value gap. And now ever since then, we back up like it never happened. That was a flash sell-off just like that. Because they waited months to refer back to this in the fourth quarter. So fourth quarter last year, it rallied up. And then we traded up, took out the all-time high, and we've been consolidating the whole year. Ever since January, we have been sideways trading in price. And then here we are in the fourth quarter. They drop it back down where they left off last year to offer a discount. Isn't that crazy? Oh, what's up, Daryl? Shout out to you, Daryl. Daryl, you remember that 6-month fair value gap? That's what I'm going over now. You remember that? Y'all didn't think it could come back to that, right? Now, I didn't want it, I didn't want it to come back, but guess what? I always said there was a possibility. There's always a possibility for them to bring it back to that gap, and that's exactly what they did at a later date. It just took time. We have 2 more months in the year. So check this out. This could still break out. I hope y'all know that, right? This can still go back up and break out and break all-time highs before the year is out. Do they want to do it? We shall see. It's almost like nothing happened. It's almost like turn your head because institutions are in here. We need to grab this right quick. We need to liquidate a lot of traders. So let me come back over to the liquidation map. You can see XRP. Let's click on XRP. In the last 24 hours, $500 million was liquidated out of XRP trades. 445 million in long. So imagine that. How many people was trading XRP in here right now? Was trying to go long, trying to hold by a breakout. Well, guess what? Market makers liquidated 445 million in 24 hours. I wonder how far I can go back. You only could go back 24 hours. Bitcoin longs. In the last 24 hours, there's been 2.49 billion. Let's go ahead and round it off. $2.5 billion liquidated from Bitcoin positions, trades. They liquidated 2.19 billion in longs. 2.19 billion in longs. All right. So that gives you perspective on what's really going on. The market makers play these games all day. If you're a long-term investor, you just need to sit back and deal with it. I mean, I don't know what to tell y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be the long game. I've been trying to tell y'all for the long. This is the long game. But I like to see $5 by the end of the year for sure. But when we talking about $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 XRP, yes, I think it can get there one day. But guess what? It's the long game. You're gonna be playing the long game. Make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe. I'm a little laggy, man. Y'all bear with me. I'm about to get my internet swapped out. Y'all press 1. Y'all let me know how bad it is. Is it bad? Like, is it extremely bad? I need to know so I can get this tweaked out and figured out. The fuck? How bad is it, y'all? How bad is it? It's looking bad on my end. God damn. And in the comments, on my end, the comments are coming in slow, so I can't really. Y'all let me know. Give me some feedback in the chat, man. Give me some feedback in the chat. All right, man. People trying to tune in, people trying to watch. I'm trying to give y'all a good show, but this shit ain't working properly. It's kind of discouraging as well, but I'm gonna keep it moving. I'm not gonna hold y'all long if it's gonna do this, but let's go down to the monthly fair value, the monthly time frame. So there's like a slideshow. That's crazy. The fuck? That's crazy. But anyway, I'm not gonna keep y'all long, man. If that's the case, we're gonna be long. I'm not gonna be long. You said the audio is good. Okay. All right. Don't look at me then. I might have to just cut the camera off. All right, Excalibur, you said push through. Say less. All right, so on the monthly time frame, so I'm going down from a 3-month down to the monthly. All right. You can see the sell-off this month so far, October, Halloween month, full moon, whatever y'all want to call it, Jason months. Yeah, they liquidated. So you see all these lows down here. Also, we also didn't just drop down to a 3-month fair value gap. We also dropped back down to that 3-month fair value gap. Who remembers the 3-month? So I'm gonna highlight the 3-month fair value gap. Still relevant in my charts. So all I'm doing is blending the 3-month with the 6-month. The 6-month takes superior. What am I trying to say? It takes class over the 3-month. That's what I'm trying to say. So the 6-month overrides the 3-month, and then you can see how price dropped down into the orange highlighted area. That's that 6-month gap. Drops down into that. Smart money in there accumulating. They did it quick. They left y'all behind, and guess what? It is what it is. Let's go down to the monthly. On the monthly time frame, we have 21 days left in the month of October. Man, they did damage. They did a lot of damage. On the monthly time frame, we got a monthly fair value gap right here. Boom, right there. So yeah, they definitely just took it down there right quick. So you can see all these highlighted areas, they're blended in together. Yeah, appreciate it, y'all. Precedence. Appreciate it. It takes precedence. So that, yeah, the 6-month takes precedence over the 3-month and so on and so forth once you work your way down the ladder. But you can see all these blended levels that I have in my chart. We've been working off of these levels. You can see price trade right down to them. They're offering discount. Now they're back up. All right. Now I feel like they're going to consolidate the rest of October. And I think November, we shall see, man. We shall see. Let's go down to the weekly. Now the weekly candle bearish. All right. And I don't care what nobody said. Nobody's seen this coming. All right. Nobody's seen this coming. There was always the possibility of it, but nobody can sit here and say, yeah, I seen that coming, because the liquidations tell you everything you need to know. A lot of people got liquidated out the market, and hey, it is what it is. Hide that. So I'm only going to refer to the 6-month. And when you look back to the left of the chart, so this is the current weekly candle. You look to the left, there's a lot of lows behind in the market. A lot of lows. They had a lot of sell side liquidity. We dropped down, liquidated those lows. They left behind their orders, their buy orders. So there was a lot of people with long positions in XRP that was holding for weeks. Some people hold these positions for weeks, sometimes months. And guess what? Those people that held, and there's a lot of people that trade without stop losses. I don't know why y'all do that if y'all trading, but there's a lot of people that held and got liquidated. Hopefully y'all not opening up your portfolios. Don't look at them. Just do something else. Touch grass. Learn how to trade. Learn the skill set. All right. Join my community. A lot of positive people over there. We all in there trading. Got a trading community going on. So if y'all want to learn how to trade, tap into the Discord. All right. We watching the markets every day. We seeing the manipulation. This is not the only market that did it neither. If I take you across, let's go look at, let's say, for example, okay, I got the stock market over here. I got the S&P 500. I got the NASDAQ. I got the Dow Jones. You can see all markets in coordinates all selling off. And the sell-off happened in these markets before the crypto market. Shep, the flash crash was crazy. I'm in the mountains. Hope all is good. Yes, all is well. God bless. God bless. So this crash happened not just in crypto. This crash, we was already in our community already watching the market sell off, but crypto sold off in the afternoon. So traditional market sold off this morning, and it sold off like I'm talking severely. Now I don't know what's going on with Trump in China. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's going on with that. It's always a narrative. Whatever they got going on, we're gonna figure it next week probably. Speaking of next week, we got a lot of economic news going on. So a lot of things going on in the news side. We got rates coming up. All right, we got the interest rates coming up, and that's at the end of the month. So we got a lot going on. Make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all. I'm not going to hold this live stream too long, man. My shit is buffering. Looking at the dollar, all right? The dollar is a key driver of everything, okay? The dollar index is the key driver to all of these markets. It's been consolidating for weeks now. Let me see how long it's been consolidating. It's been held in a consolidation for about 19 weeks. So for about 133 days, the dollar has been sideways. So that's why everything seems distorted. Everything seems decoupled. You got the dollar. So normally when the dollar goes higher, stocks, crypto, everything goes lower. But as of lately, whenever the dollar sells off, crypto sells off, stocks sell off. When the dollar rallies, everything rallies with it. So everything is decoupled. Everything is being manipulated. Nothing is being ran with symmetry right now. So it's very high risk. We are in high risk conditions, all right? Clearly, high risk conditions. You gotta really be strategic with your plan. So that's why I always say like dollar cost averaging, that plan do not work when they can do shit like that, what you've seen today. You've been dollar cost averaging at any price level, and you never know when they're gonna flash. And that happened based on nothing. So imagine when we start getting black swan events, when we start getting real events happening in an economy, what they're gonna do to this market. That crash was nothing. That crash was nothing. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, y'all. Smash the like button. Let's go around. Let's go look at, let's see. Let's go look at Bitcoin right quick. And I could take you through all these markets. They all pretty much did the same thing. Let's go out to the 3 month on Bitcoin. 3 month. Not as relevant as XRP. XRP really took a crash. XRP probably took one of the hardest crashes. Oh, excuse me. Bit up early. XLM, let's take a look at XLM. If we go out to the, let's see, 3 month time frame for XLM. Yep. Same thing with XLM, y'all. XLM had a 3 month fair value gap. All right, 3 month fair value gap. It sold off down into the inefficiency. And then now it's going back up. So XLM did the same thing. XDC, go out to the 3 month time frame for XDC. Also XDC doing similar things, 3 month fair value gap. Let's look at HBAR also the same thing. Let's go out to the 3 month time frame. Yep. All these markets have done the same thing. A lot of these crypto assets, fair value gap, but not only the fair value gap, it dropped down into the order block right here, order block. So H bar was a steal. H bar definitely was a steal. H bar was definitely a steal. Hopefully y'all took advantage. Y'all not really saying if y'all took advantage or not. Only a few people might have said they took advantage, but or are y'all just like y'all just over it? Are y'all over it? I know I'm over it. As far as like all this manipulation and shit, I'm very over it. Because that's all it is. It's all manual intervention manipulation by the market makers. Damn, this stream, man. This goddamn stream. I can't do the buffering. I can't do the buffering. And the lagging, I can't do it. Gotta get this worked out. But right now, XRP back at $2.42, slowly, gradually going up. Slowly, gradually going up. Let's go down to the daily. Let's go take a look at XRP on the daily. What the just happened today, all right? So as I look at the daily candle, let's keep going down. Let's go down intraday. Let's go down to like a 15 minute. Let's go down to the 15 minute. On the 15-minute time frame. Yep, it sold off in the PM. So we was already working down. Excalibur said, I already reached my goal, so I'm just watching unless there's an ultra discount. The exchanges wouldn't let most of us buy anyway. Nope. And we over that too. But yeah, it sold off early in the PM, in the afternoon, around 4:45 p.m. We got that massive sell off. God damn, that was a massive sell off. Let me measure this. God damn. That was roughly about a 48% sell off, 49% sell off. That was from $2.69 to about $1.37, and now it's on its way back up. All right. And when it comes back up, got some clean highs above the market that they can go reach for. I think they're going to consolidate it. They're going to go ahead and consolidate it, and we shall see going into next week and the week after. Let me see. Yeah, man. I can't do this, right? I can't do this live stream with the lagging. I got to call my internet provider. They pissing me off with this. They pissing me off. Other than that, man, I'm gonna see if I can go live tomorrow because this shit is not cool. Hopefully, I give y'all a quick price update with everything going on. Hey, don't panic. Stay in there. Stay motivated. Stay positive. All right. It's gonna be better days. Everything's gonna be all right. You know what I'm saying? Everything's gonna be all right. So, y'all got any questions before I head up out of here? Any questions? I got to get this internet fixed. I can't even see my comments. But with that being said, man, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate y'all joining. I definitely had this solution fixed next time I go live. Appreciate y'all joining, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out. Wait. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm going to holler at y'all. I got to get my internet fixed. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.